I don't know if it's only me that feel this way whenever you are eating a healthy food, the food that you made by yourself, the one you know that there is no chemical, no preservative, everything is just natural. There's this joy, this excitement that come with it. I don't know if it's only me that feel that way. Let me know at the comment section if you also feel the same way. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to be making lentils waffle, right? So as you can see, I've already peeled my lentils. Okay, so now it's time to blend. So I will just add water, then we'll blend our lentils. So you have to be careful not to add too much water. You don't want it to be too watery. Okay, yeah. So I'm transferring this to my bowl until I'm done blending all the lentils. Now we are done blending the lentils, so I'm adding chopped pepper, and I'll be adding salt. I'll also be adding some seasoning powder. Then the next thing will be egg. Okay, so I'm adding two eggs. So the next is to mix. We mix everything very well before we move to the next step. Guys, let me know where you are watching from so that we can send you some help in our next video. So the next thing, I'm going to be rubbing in some vegetable oil like so. Then we'll go ahead and add lentils, blended lentils. So yeah, so I'll be dropping few vegetable oil on top before I will cover the waffle maker, right? Yeah, so I'll cover it. So this actually takes 5 minutes to be properly cooked. 5 minutes. Okay, here we have it. As you can see, yummy, delicious, healthy, as you can see. Let me know what you think, guys. Thanks for watching. Please share, subscribe, and leave your comment. Bye.